A'udhu Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear audience, respected peoples, Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Listen to my word carefully. A masala in Islam. Who drinks milk of his wife from her chest? Man shariba al-labn al-zawja زوجتها من شرب اللبن زوجته من صدرها from her chest his deed his work هذا فعله is strongly disliked in Islam. Again, who drinks milk of his wife from her chest, his deed is strongly disliked in Islam. Meaning, if a person drinks milk of his wife from her chest, his deed, his فعله من شرب لبن زوجته من صدرها هذا فعل كبيح في الإسلام هذا فعل كبيح ولكن نكاحه لا تقطع ليست هذه الامرأة حرام على زوجها. His nikah is remain, but this work is disliked in Islam. मकरूहन शदीदुन फिल इस्लाम, यानी कोई बंदा अपनी ज़ौजा का जब दूध पीता है पिस्तान से तो ये शदीद मकरूह है इस्लाम में, फ़ेल कबीह है। अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाह।